All right, today I have a Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to adjust the shutter on a Leica Q3. You can see right here, this is the Leica Q3 in all of its glory. Now, if you look at the top of the camera, you have a shutter button, or excuse me, a shutter wheel. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on, and you can see it's already on, so I'm going to pretend that it wasn't, and then I'm going to turn it back on. All right, so now that I have the camera on, you can see right there, I'm going to go up to the wheel, and I can spin the wheel as if I'm on a wheel of fortune with no Vanna White. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this. You can see right here it goes from 2,000, 1,000, 500, 250, 125, 60, 30, 15, 8, 4, 2, 1 plus. And of course, at the bottom, there is an automatic, where it automatically adjusts the shutter depending on where, what the other camera settings are at. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it, say for instance, at 60. Now you can go between 60 and 125 or 60 and 30 by going to the wheel that's right here. Now, if your camera is in its original settings when you first got it and you didn't adjust any of the buttons through the menu, this wheel right here will actually take the shutter and you can adjust it. If you look at the bottom right here, it shows you 160 a second, and I spin the wheel either clockwise or counterclockwise, and it adjusts the shutter, if you can see down at the bottom, accordingly. Okay, it goes in between 30 and 60 or 60 and 125. Now, if I spin it clockwise, it'll go down to the lower number, which is 1/40th of a second, which is 10 above 30. Now, if I go counterclockwise, it goes back up to 1/50th of a second, back to 1/60th of a second right here, and then 1/80th of the second and 100th of a second. And it almost goes up to 125, but 1/100th of a second is the highest you can go when it's clicked in to 60 right there. Now, if I want to go higher, I'll just go ahead and switch it to 125, and it goes to 125, and I can spin the wheel, not Wheel of Fortune, and do the same movements that way. And when I want to switch it to automatic, I'll go to A, just like that, and it automatically adjusts the shutter depending on the lighting outside and the different settings on the camera. And that is how you adjust the shutter on the Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.